Hello, hello, friends. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today I am stopping by with a week's worth of taco cards. For my group, there's a stamp for that, Challenge 60, which ends tomorrow, Saturday, May 6th. One of the themes was tacos. So I decided that with it being a theme for my challenge and Cinco de Mayo, that I would do a week's worth of taco cards. It was so fun to finally get out those taco stamps that I've been hoarding, and I love tacos, so it was just perfect. In the description box below, I have a link to my group if you'd like to come join us. It's just for fun. Every once in a while I do a giveaway, but it's just to kind of kickstart your mojo and get you creating. So, and I also have links to all the blog posts for all of these cards. All right, let's get started. I started the week off with this one, which is Let's Taco About How Amazing You Are. And the stamp set is from Craft and Kimmy. It's Punny Valentine, but as you can see, it doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. I just have a little flag on the inside. Then came Tuesday, which is Taco Tuesday. I pulled out an old La La Land Crafts Club kit. I believe it was like June of 2019. I think that they do have a stamp set similar in their shop. I didn't look. I kind of got lazy lately with linking things, but I'm going to get better at that. So anyways, I did this card. Ay, Chihuahua, Taco Tuesday. Colored up those chihuahuas in different fun ways. Used the dies from the kit to make the tacos. And then this like grid die is from Gina Marie Designs. I just thought it came out so fun. Also should mention on all of my cards, I used paper that is long retired from Stampin' Up. It's one of my favorite papers to use with like taco fiesta type themes. It's called Festive Birthday. So that's what that is. And I did just put a banner on the inside of that one. So I love how that one turned out. Next up, live every day like it's Taco Tuesday. Good advice, good advice. This is a stamp from a company that's no longer around. It was called Sassy and Crafty. I think this is the first time I ever inked it up, so that was fun. The die cut there is from Gina Marie Designs, as well as the little dots. And I just used a stitched rectangle on the inside of there. Next, we have a stamp from Darcy's that I got in the Not Too Shabby shop years ago, though. Maybe last year, year before, I don't know. Fiesta, Siesta, Tacos Repeat. Oh, yeah. He's all ready to go there. Again, that's from Gina Marie Designs, the die, as well as the dots. And I did just add a banner in there. Oh, and I did use the wonky stitched rectangle die. Just kind of adds a little something, something. And then I ended the week with this fun card. The stamp set is from Newton's Nook. It's called Newton Loves Tacos. I'm right there with you, Newton. I used an old My Favorite Things blueprints dies. They still have a few of them available, not this one. I like them when I'm kind of struggling to come up with a layout because they have all the elements, and so you can just put together a card quickly. Cinco de Mayo, and he's got his taco there. And again, I just a strip in there inside. These dots are from Gina Marie Designs. They're kind of my favorite lately, I guess, for embellishments and those fun dies. But again, this was from My Favorite Things. And so that was my week of taco cards. It was just so much fun. I loved doing it. It's fun to go through your stash, and even if it's retired, pull it out, use it. And I just, yeah, since I'm kind of late on the boat to get these up this year for Cinco de Mayo, now I have a fun stash for next year. Or I guess some of these other ones you could send anytime. It didn't have to be Cinco de Mayo. I hope you have an amazing day and enjoyed seeing my cards. I will be back in the next couple days to share some mermaid cards. It is Mermay, and I'm off to a strong start having a card every day. I don't know that that's going to continue, but I will be back to share what I've created so far. And I think I'm also going to be back soon with a fun, quick stencil video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and thanks for all the love for me returning in somewhat of a, normal, I don't know. Anyways, I'm rambling, lost my train of thought. Yes, I'm that crazy cat lady, I think. Anyways, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate all of you so much, and have a super wonderful, wonderful Cinco de Mayo. Go eat some tacos.